People close to me tend to say, if I don't look a certain way, then I won't be able to find a future partner.
Sometimes it doesn't matter how fit you are and how good you feel in your body. People just like to make comments. When I used to slim down and I actually feel great in my body, some people would say you look like a skeleton or you're too thin.
People would bash me online, saying that I don't have a bikini body, that I'm not qualified to spread body positivity.
My dad said I should stop lifting because it makes me look like a man. They have a stereotype how a girl should look like.
I get discouraged to do pole dancing because some people are not comfortable seeing me being comfortable in my own skin.
You look like a slut and you need to lose some weight. That used to make me self-harm and suicidal.
Instead of focusing on my strength and my abilities, some people prefer to talk about my tummy fat and that I have no curves.
So I don't really get why the conversation is always about the body or the physical appearance. There's so much more to a person than just how they look.
We have all been affected by the comments others put onto us. Regardless of how you look or how you want to look like, there will always be detractors everywhere telling you how you should look like. We all deserve to live in our body without receiving the prejudice of others. It is never okay to put other people down. Don't be so quick to judge or tell someone what they should be or how they should look like. You don't know their story. You don't know their journey. After all, who gets to determine what you should look like? Only you.
I don't judge my own body, I just let it flow. I feel liberated. I know my strength and I know my weaknesses, and I will continue to work on them until I reach my full potential. I feel like a superwoman.
Although I'm the heaviest right now, but I feel fit and I'm at my healthiest state of mind. I feel so alive.
I'm really proud of my body for creating two human beings, my two beautiful sons. And these days, I no longer think about being skinny or slim, but I do everything to nourish my body to stay healthy and strong for my family and for myself.
The best part of CrossFit is the community. I gain a lot of confidence, and there are good days and there are bad days, but it's a safe space and everyone knows that you're trying to be better.
Yeah, people will keep pushing you to the limit and you just gotta perform and you just
keep trying.
Yep, keep trying.
Healthy comes in all shapes and sizes. Regardless of where we are, big or small, thick or thin, let's support each other and be your own version of good, not someone else's. I am my best me.